Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be turning our loving and reflective thoughts outwards, honoring the earth that supports us. To begin, I invite you to close your eyes and settle into a comfortable seated position. Whether on the floor, a bench, or a chair, ensure that your spine is tall and your shoulders are relaxed. As you settle into the space, take a soft scan of the body as you identify any areas of tension. And where possible, see if this tension might be gently released. Pay particular attention to the forehead, the shoulders, and the belly. And now, turn your attention towards the flow of your breath. Without trying to change it in any way, simply observe its innate intelligence as it replenishes and cleanses your body without any conscious effort. As you become more present, notice if the breath, the body, or the mind softens in any way. If the mind wanders at any point during this meditation, know that this is entirely natural. Simply bring your attention back to the flow of your breath or to the earth beneath your seat. Take just a few more slow and mindful breaths here, honoring the air that sustains you. And now, turn your attention towards the earth beneath you. Keeping the eyes closed, simply notice the strength, the solidity, and the vitality that is offered to us by this beautiful planet. The earth is the place we call home, and it is home to many beings aside from our human species. It is home to animals and insects, to plants and fungi, to bacteria, algae, and other microorganisms. It is home to forests, rivers, fields, mountains, oceans, and deserts, and to all other landscapes and communities that have manifested here. The earth hosts an intricate web of life that makes our existence possible. If it weren't for the innate wisdom of the earth and its energy flow, we would not be able to breathe, to eat, to work, or to play. So, to honor the earth for its support and nourishment, take a moment to reconnect with your posture and with your breath. And then I invite you to imagine for a moment that invisible roots grow from your sit bones, weaving themselves deep into the earth's crust. These roots take up vital energy from the planet, supporting, healing, and cleansing us. They represent the deep connection between humans and the earth. With each full inhale, allow yourself to be replenished through these roots. And as you exhale, breathe out loving energy to the earth that surrounds you. Inhale deeply once again, visualizing nourishment moving up through your roots. And exhale, witnessing the return of this vital energy to the world around you. Take just a couple more breaths this way, inhaling through your roots and exhaling to give back to the earth. I invite you now to draw your attention to your heart space. Let the image of your roots dissipate as you feel into the chest. If you'd like, you might raise a hand or two to the heart as we prepare to offer our gratitude. Now follow my words as you draw your awareness to various aspects of the earth. In your own way, give silent thanks to these beings or elements for their blessings. Consider first the four elements: air, earth, water, and fire. Give thanks to these elements for their blessings and their wisdom. Draw to mind various plants, animals, insects, and fungi, thanking them for their presence on this earth. Consider soil, sand, clay, and rocks, offering a few words of gratitude for these beings. And then draw your attention to entire landscapes, forests, rivers, meadows, oceans, and deserts. Thank them for their diversity, their abundance, their beauty. Consider the love that lives in each human heart, thanking the earth for making human life possible. And lastly, hold the entire earth in your awareness, offering a few final words of love here. Now bring your attention back to the air that flows through you. And to the earth beneath your seat as we close this practice. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.